Hello everyone and welcome to Task 2 for Term 2 and 3. This unit test will include percentages, ratios, and probability. The rules for this test include being able to use calculators and outside resources. You must not only record your answer and process verbally, but you must type it into the box in Edpuzzle. You have 60 minutes per attempt, and you should do it all at one time. Don't leave and come back. Next, tips, same as last time. Use your notebook or scrap paper, work out the problem, see the process, think about what you're going to say, maybe make some points or keywords, terms you want to use, practice what you want to say, and then record it. All questions but one will be graded out of 3 points. 2 points for your verbal answer of the process, including mathematical vocabulary, and then 1 point for the numerical answer in writing. So let's begin with question 1, probability. Question 2, ratios and proportions. Number 3, probability. As you can see in this question, there is actually 20 spins needed, but you only see 15. So I would like you to add this data set to your information and calculate the probability including this data set. Heads, tails, heads, 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 tails, heads, 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 heads. Question 4, percentages. Question 5, sharing ratios. This is the only 2-point question because you only need to give your reasoning. Question 6, probability. This will purely be a verbal question. You need to explain your process and then type the answers for each color in the box. A dice has 10 faces. Each face has one of 3 colors, green, gold, or black. The results for 400 throws are: green had a frequency of 121, gold had a frequency of 231, and black a frequency of 48. Find the experimental probability for each color. Then, verbally make a conjecture about the number of faces of each color. Give a reason for your answer. Question 7, probability. This is the end of the test. Thank you. Don't forget to hit submit.